Yeah. We back again. Tron and Kimberly Moses. Welcome to Team Moses Vlogs, where you watch us do life and enjoy marriage on our journey.
I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. I got your back, baby. I got your back, baby. I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. I got your back, baby. I got your back, baby. I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. I got your back, baby. I got your back, baby.
What up, team? So I just made a veggie pizza.
Yeah, team, and I want some, team.
I'm struggling to cut.
Team, if she's struggling, team, it's her fault. You know why, team? Because we got this. She never uses this. This is so much easier.
I like the old-fashioned knife. That's why. I'm pretty sure with it. You guys, I love pizza.
She can eat it every day, team.
Yes. My homemade pizza.
Mmm.
Fresh, hot.
That do look good, babe. Do you think I would like it?
No.
Okay, babe. I'll take your word for it.
So, you guys haven't seen me in a while because I've been so busy. I think I published like almost 9 books. Then I had a magazine come out every first of the month. I've been mentoring, and plus my hair was like really nappy, and I said, you know what, I don't want to do anything with my hair nappy, so I just kind of got it done. I got a sew-in and a closure, and it's not done right now. We gotta curl it and stuff like that, and I don't like curling my hair too much. So anywho, yeah, but it's supposed to be body wave, but anywho, I'm gonna rock it like this. This is spinach, mushrooms, onions. Very good. Very, very, very good. Delicious. Every once in a while, I like to make homemade pizzas. Yeah. So I'm gonna just eat this, tear this up, then I'm gonna work on some ministry stuff. I got a new book coming out in the morning. I'll do a video about that. So yeah, I'm excited.
What's up, team? So right now, matter of fact, I just want to tell y'all the portobello burgers. If you never had portobello burgers, my wife put me up on those. They are delicious. I love them. I love them because I'm trying to come off the ground beef, trying to come off the soda, the Pepsis. Because I used to drink a lot of Pepsis in one day, and I was eating ground beef more than once a week, just eating so much of it, hamburgers, spaghetti, tacos, Tron Kimberly, if you know the Tron Kimberly dish we made, chili, which is almost the same thing, but seasoned different. Anyway, right here, me and my wife just finished a powerful podcast. If you're not following our podcast, follow it. Follow us on Spotify, Google Podcasts, iTunes, Rejoice Essential Network Podcast. And I'm sitting here, I'm just editing and getting EQing things to sound like I want it to sound. It's one of the prophets that I originally found out about through her. And his name is Prophet Fred Lewis. How you doing, man of God?
I'm doing well. Blessings, Tron Moses and Prophetess Kimberly. I'm just honored to be on with you guys.
And I started posting his videos because I couldn't wait. Like, I was in a wilderness season, and Prophet Fred, he still does these teachings too, but he's have like teaches like 21 such and such revelations, or enemies of the prophetic, and it just blessed my soul when I was in a wilderness season. And I say he has to be on Tron Moses YouTube. He has to be, and I thank God for this man of God's ministry, because even in the darkest times of my life, the Lord will use him to speak in my life, and I still hold on to those words today. And some of them.
So what I do when I'm editing the podcast is, if there's space in between us asking another question after the person stops speaking and us asking another question, I'll get rid of that space. Or if we ask a question and there's space between them answering, I'll get rid of that space. Not to put it right up on top of what we're saying, but to make it flow and sound natural. Like if I ask you, so when did you wash your first car? And there's a space there, and you're like, back when I was 12. I'll remove that space, and it'll turn into, when did you wash your first car? Back when I was 12. That's what I do, and I EQ, compress, bow, do all that. I love what I do. Love what I do. So right now it's sounding good. I'm about to save this file. It's sounding good. What's up, team? So I'm about to hook me and my wife up, me and my beautiful and lovely wife, salad. About to hook us up a salad. Let me get to work. Excuse me.
So you guys, I just got done praying. I'm sweaty. I sweat really bad on my torso after I finished praying. Yeah. And I did videos. I'm tired. I have not had my coffee yet, so I'm exhausted. And anyway, I'm just gonna enjoy my husband, my beautiful, handsome, anointed, fine husband, and eat some nice, yummy salad that my husband's gonna make us, right? Yeah. And I'm just high in the Lord. I'm hyper, I guess, because I feel his presence. So yeah, so I had a beautiful premiere of my book on Facebook. Beautiful. And my husband's gonna put the video for me, right honey, on my channel. And that's gonna be a blessing, you guys, so watch that.
It's already on your channel.
Oh, it's okay. Well, he already put it on my channel, praise God. So I'm about to go make that public now. So, oh my gosh, you guys, my husband made some grilled chicken breast. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. dressed up because I'm getting ready to do Facebook Live. Yeah, I need to go and down the streets where I get good connection at. So anywho, you guys, yeah, I released a new book this morning. Let me show you the cover if I can pull it up. It's called The Art of Meditation. It's my 21st book. Yeah! God is good, you guys. You know, he gave me this book to write. Like, he gave me a list of 21 books to write in 2014. So you probably can't see it. The Art of Meditation. Yeah. But anywho, yeah, so I'm gonna be talking about that today. And you know what irks me? Let me tell you what irks me. Okay, so I got like 5,000 plus friends, and this bothers me. I'm being transparent. You know, every time God do something great in my life, I release something, somebody unfriend me. I'm like, hater. So now I gotta find a replacement. So that's what I'm doing. I'm on my Facebook trying to find a replacement. Yeah, I only want people around me that's gonna celebrate me, you know, because I'm not a hater. I always tell people, just say you're next. We don't have time to be jealous. No, you know, we need to support one another. We need to bless them, share their stuff, sow a seed, you know, cheer someone on. Because if you can't celebrate someone else, and I'm telling you, you're gonna stay small. You're gonna stay small. And in God, he's a big God, and we're not meant to stay small. But you're gonna stay small because your heart is evil. Your heart is wicked. So anywho, on my prayer line and in my network, I tell people we don't do that jealous thing here. Say you're next. You are next. Okay? So I thank God for just removing the wrong people out and sending the right people in, because if you can't celebrate me, you know, when God is promoting me and doing great things in my life, you don't need to have access to me. You don't need to be in my life. You don't need to be in my circle. Bye-bye, right? So anywho, we have to watch out for that, because there's a lot of snakes in the grass. There's a lot of phony people out here pretending. So yeah, I'm watching. I'm watching. Yeah, I see you. I may not say anything, but I see you. You know, your fake self, right? So, anywho, you guys, that's my little rant. Let me put you down for a second. Okay. So, I'm going to try to find a replacement, you guys. So, I'm looking on Facebook right now, trying to find a replacement. And I have, like, one of my new dresses on. And I got this, you guys. Yeah, I got this dress on sale or on clearance rack. Burlington got some nice stuff, you guys. Yeah. So let me just find a friend. But anyways, that's what I'm about to do. So I'll catch up with you later, team.
I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. I got your back, baby. I got your back, baby. I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. I got your back, baby. I got your back, baby. I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me.